Hello students, welcome to another session of Chemistry Practical. I am Dolly Singh, PGT Chemistry from KVCRPF Mukama Ghat. Just now we are going to watch a video from Amrita's lab on preparation of pure sample of ferrous ammonium sulfate. By pure sample we mean we have to prepare crystal of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Ferrous ammonium sulfate is commonly known as Mohr salt. Actually, it is a double salt of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfates. So first of all, let us see what are the materials required for this. We need an electronic balance, tripod stand, Bunsen burner, wire gauze, china dish, ferrous sulfate salt, ammonium sulfate salt, beakers, dilute sulfuric acid, ethanol, filter paper. Now first of all, we have to weigh 7 gram of ferrous sulfate using an electronic balance. Then transfer it to a clean and dry beaker. Now we have to weigh another salt, ammonium sulfate. 3.5 gram of ammonium sulfate is weighed and transferred to the same beaker containing ferrous sulfate. Now we have to measure 3 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Then transfer this 3 ml of dilute sulfuric acid to the beaker containing the salts. Now we have to measure 20 ml of distilled water. Transfer this 20 ml of distilled water into another beaker and keep it for boiling. It should be continuously boiled for at least 5 minutes. After that, transfer this hot water to the beaker containing salt and dilute sulfuric acid, and it should be added in small proportion by continuous stirring until all the salts are dissolved in the water. Now we have to filter this solution using funnel and filter paper, and the filtrate will be collected in a clean and dry china dish. Now once the filtrate is collected, it is kept on burner for heating with continuous stirring with glass rod, and it is heated until we reach the point of crystallization. Once the point of crystallization is obtained, transfer this solution to another container and cover it and keep it in chilled water, dipped in chilled water for few hours. Once it is cooled, crystals are formed. Now decant the mother liquor and wash the crystals with ethyl alcohol. Now once it is washed, we have to separate the crystals and it should be dried using another filter paper. We have to press the crystal between filter papers so that we get dry crystals. Now these are the crystals of Mohr salt. Now our question arises, how do we know that point of crystallization has been reached? So we have to blow on the glass rod. If the crust is formed, it means we have reached the point of crystallization. Thank you.